Okay, so we're starting a new unit. It's going to be on probability. And look, the first lesson I'd like to actually look at would be just a little bit about how we can describe probabilities using words. So down here I've got a chart. It's called the probability continuum. On the right hand side, the very far right hand side, we've got the word certain. On the opposite side of the continuum, we've got the word impossible. And right in the middle, well, equally likely. Now, we're talking about likelihoods, lesson 1 likelihood. And what I mean by that is, how likely is an event to happen? Now, right in the middle, we've got equally likely. Let's say we flipped a coin, and we could get, heads or tails. The likelihood that we get a tail is equal to the likelihood that we get a heads. It's a 50-50 chance. So we would call an event like that equally likely. On the far right end of the spectrum, well, it's just we've got the word certain. Certain means 100% probability, 100%. A certainty in an event would be like waking up in the morning. Waking up. Although not everyone wakes up at the right time, but at some point we've all woken up. So we can say that would be a certainty, 100% chance. On the other side, the impossible, there's 0% chance. Now, an event that has a 0% chance, well, I like this one. Pigs flying. It's never going to happen. Or, I don't know, maybe if we genetically engineer them in the future, but still, so far, that's, impossible. There's no chance it's going to happen. So we can go from, one end of the continuum for probability, our likelihoods. We can go from 0, like pigs flying. We can go to the middle, 50%. That would be, a heads or tails in a coin toss. And then on the other end, we could say something is certain, probability is certain, an event is certain to happen at 100% probability. And that would be like waking up in the morning. Okay.